Isinagawa ang isang forum sa Baguio City para mas mapalakas pa ang digital infrastructure sa Cordillera. Sa pamamagitan ito ng pag-mainstream ng Executive Order No. 32, Series of 2023. Narito ang report.
Patuloy na itinataguyod ng pamahalaan ang aktibong partisipasyon ng mga komunidad sa bureaucratic efficiency ng mga programa at serbisyo ng gobyerno. Pinagsama-sama ng Anti-Red Tape Authority o ARTA ang mga line agencies, local government units, telecommunications providers, tower companies at mga kinatawan mula sa homeowners associations sa isang forum noong Setyembre 16 sa Baguio City. Layunin ng forum na ito na palakasin ang digital infrastructure sa rehiyon ng Cordillera sa pamamagitan ng pag-mainstream ng Executive Order No. 32 Series of 2023 o streamlining of permitting process for the construction of telecommunications and internet infrastructure.
Really grateful because I think we started the difference because we are gathering people who are supposed to be competitors in the industry, but as you said, the market is just so wide. And this prospect is so vast that we can continue to work together, share information in order to achieve our common goal, which is really to improve. The ultimate goal is to improve the internet connection in the country.
Nagpasalamat naman ang ilang telco providers sa ginawa ng ARTA na siyang nagbigay ng daan upang maibahagi nila ang kanilang mga kinakaharap na issues.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa Anti-Red Tape Authority led by no other than our dearest Secretary Ernesto Perez in holding this TELCO forum here in Baguio City. We're likewise very thankful to the local government unit of Baguio because they're here right now with us today to participate in this TELCO forum. And I would say that this has been a very fruitful and productive forum because we had the chance to be able to, raise our concerns pertaining to the need for better connectivity in the city of Baguio.
Ang nasabing aktibidad ay may temang Bridging Communities and Connectivity, Strengthening HOA Government Collaboration for Digital Infrastructure.